Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 15th, and we have made it to day number 117 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. Now, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are talking about, I'm talking about shooting 1 year, a 1 year challenge, 365 days. All right. Where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. All right. Now, if you guys have you just don't know what I'm talking about and you're brand new to this channel, please go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing and what this method is. All right. And if you stick around to the end of this video, you'll kind of get an idea on what this is all about. All right. So we're on day number 117. Let's go ahead and hop right to it, guys. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. And that all depends on how many accounts that you have in your back. How many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, right now I have 8 different accounts. Okay, so the accounts that I have, I send out emails every single day in those accounts. So when you get started, you can get started with the same amount, or you can start off with a lower amount, which I would recommend starting off with maybe 2 or 3. And then once you start seeing results, then you start scaling up to about 5, right? And 5 is going to be your sweet spot. Okay, now after 5, you can kind of scale up to more, just depending on how much money that you're making. All right. So just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. These leads do work. Okay. I've gotten paid from My Lead Gen Secret itself, the company, and I've also gotten paid from ClickBank as well. I've received paychecks from them on a normal basis, actually every week. And then also I've earned income through Warrior Plus. All right. And then also another network called Blue Media Ventures and Max Bounty, which are CPA networks. So I can, I have the experience here, guys, to show you that this traffic does work. Okay. The only thing about this traffic is that it is cold traffic. Okay. So it does take a moment for these leads to get warmed up to you. Okay. This is not something that you're going to be able to come in and just send out emails and make thousands of dollars next week. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. Okay. So what you have to do as an affiliate marketer is every 24 hours, okay, you can come in to this back office and you're going to be able to send out emails every single day. Okay. And your back office, when you get started, guys, is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only difference between your account and my account is going to be the emails that you're sending out, obviously, and then also the affiliate link. Obviously, your link is going to be different than mine. We're all not going to have the same link. Okay. But your back office pretty much is going to look like this with these tabs coming across. You have your My Leads, you have your master email swipes, mailing system, and all that good stuff. Okay. And where you're going to be, guys, are going to be hanging out at is going to be the mailing system. This is where you're going to go. You're going to send out all your emails here. Okay. Pretty much what you would do, you would come down, you click on select all. And what that does is it transfer all the emails over so that way you can get ready to send out emails. Okay. Now, once you do that, you have a subject line and then also a body of text. All right. And every 24 hours, as you can see, I've already sent out my emails today. Every 24 hours, you guys can come in and send out emails every single day. Okay. Which is really cool because you get a chance to get in front of brand new subscribers every single day. Okay. That's why I love the My Lead Gen Secret so much because I always got fresh leads coming in. Okay. Which is really, really cool. Okay. What you want to do is what we pretty much do here at My Lead Gens is we come up with emails, okay, for this traffic. Okay. Now these, let me tell you a little bit about this traffic. These people that are on this list, guys, these people are looking for ways to make money online. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out, find offers that are related to making money online, create an email, pretty much create one off the top of your head. Or if you use some type of, email, AI or something or chat GPT or something to create these emails, you can do so, or you can use the free email swipes from the offer from the vendor. Okay. Now I'm going to just let you in a little bit on the offer that we're promoting for this challenge, guys. It's an offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay. This offer right here, I've been promoting for a while now, and I'm basing this whole 1 year challenge based on this offer. Okay. So for 1 year straight, we're just going to send this offer and that's it. Okay. And we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income doing so. So this offer here, guys, you actually don't have to start with this offer if you don't want. They do have other offers on ClickBank that are similar to this offer. Okay. But the reason why I'm promoting this offer because it has a rebill of $20 every single month. So when someone signs up for this program, they get billed for the program, obviously in 3 days. And then every single month they get billed for the program, and we just keep earning income every single month, from everybody, coming on and joining the program. Okay. Now, once people are starting making money with this, they tend to keep it, and they tend to keep it for months and months and months. Okay. So as you can see, like if you go back and watch these videos, you're going to see rebills from people that started when on our first month, when we first start promoting this offer. Okay. Now I've created a brand new ClickBank account just for you guys, just to show you this challenge. Okay. So that way you can go back to day number 1 is when I pretty much around the time that I created this ClickBank account for this challenge, because I know I was going to do this challenge for you guys. And I want you guys to see this thing all the way to the end. And if you go back and watch these videos, you're going to be able to see, how we started off, how long it took us to start getting sales, and things like that, so you'll be able to see that progress. All right. So this offer right here, what I was telling you guys is that if you come to these offers, there's about 3 offers on ClickBank that work really good. Okay, this is one of them. Another one is going to be social paying jobs. Okay, and the other one's going to be Warrior Plus, and paid online writing jobs. Okay, those pretty much are going to be the offers that you want to stick with because they work well. I've tested those offers; they work well with this traffic. Okay, so you can promote any one of those, including this one. And all of them, guys, are going to have free email swipes. Now, these email swipes have been known to convert. Okay. I've used these in the beginning of the series. If you go back and watch in the beginning days of this challenge, I've already promoted all 20 of these emails. Okay. And you can come here and do the same. Just come in here and use each and every email. Okay. Okay. So first of all, you don't have to go out and create an email. Okay, you don't have to go out and do any type of AI or thing right now. Start with these emails. This is what I'm telling everybody. Start with day 1 of these emails and go ahead and try these emails out first. Okay, get all the way through 20. I guarantee you. Okay, well, I can't promise you anything, okay, but I can guarantee that if you come in every day and you send out an email every day in the system, you're going to make money on one of these emails. Okay, it's just a numbers game, all right? So, I mean, obviously, I cannot promise you anything because I don't know if you're going to come in. I don't know what type of work ethic you have. I don't know if it's like mine or other people that are doing this that come in every day and send out emails, but I pretty much can let you know if you come in and you send out all 20 emails, you're going to see sales up in these emails. Okay. It's just like I said, it's just a numbers game. You got to come in and you got to send out emails every single day. Okay. That's the rule. All right. With this method. So, pretty much after you send out all these emails, okay, you just pick one. There's going to be a subject line and there's going to be a body of text. Okay. So here's the subject line. You would just copy that, come back over here to the mailing system. And then if you come down here, you can just paste that in right there for the subject line. And then also as well, you want to click on perfect timing, and then you want to take out the body and you want to put your body of email in right here. Okay. Now, after you do that and you send out all 20 emails, what you can do is just keep sending out these same emails over and over and over again. Now, once you send out those emails one time, what's going to happen is they're going to be stored into this little back office portal here. Okay. So all the emails that you've promoted, you're going to be able to, keep them right here, guys, in this back office here, guys. So pretty much, what you would do is you would pick the email starting from day 1, chat for cash. So if you go back here, you can see this right here, chat for cash, right? So the same email, right? we will load up, and then it's already in here for us. Okay. And all we have to do is click on perfect timing and then click on send now. Okay. That's pretty much all you have to do. Okay. So that way, for me, for all 8 of my accounts, guys, just because I do this, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes just to send out emails to all 8 accounts. All right. That way I can do this for 10 minutes, earn income from this, and then jump on over to other, income producing activities that I do online. Right. So it's very easy to do. And you guys can do that, guys, if you want to get started. All right. I did leave a link below this video. Okay. So if you come here, let me just show you where to go. So come down over here to the description and then click on this link right here, this MLGS True Freedom. Click on that link, guys. It's going to take you over to the landing page. And then it's just going to show you the results. Okay, show you some proof here that other people are earning income with this program and using this traffic. Okay, tons of people that are earning income, as you can see, including myself. Okay. So, and then other people online, if you go out and Google and YouTube, other people doing this method, there's other people out making money with this. I'm not the only one. Okay. And there's people making less than I am and even making more than I am because they've been doing it a lot longer. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys the power of this system. Okay. So look at all these testimonials. Okay. Everybody's in, a lot of people are making money. Okay. So come here, guys. Go ahead and join. Let me know once you join. I do got some emails that I send out. I sent out when I first started, and they work. They work like magic. Okay, and you guys will be able to start earning income and start getting off to a fast start. All right, but that's pretty much it, guys. You come in, you send out this email right here, and then also you put in your subject line at the top, and then you click on perfect timing, and you click on send or preview. You want to preview the ad. Click on this link, guys, to make sure that it does work and that it goes to your affiliate page. That way you get the credit for the email. Okay. And that's very important. That way your affiliate link, you're making sure that you're getting paid for, for what you're doing. All right. So you come down here, you click on send now, guys. You click on send now. Um, and then you're off to the races. You just sent out an email in the mileage and secret system. And pretty much what you would do, you would just rinse and repeat it. If you have multiple accounts, what you would do is you would open up another tab and then you would leave this tab open, right? Open up another tab, log into your second account and just copy and paste over your email. Okay. Just copy all of this and just paste it over to the second account. Pretty easy to do. Now, if you do want to get multiple accounts, you have to, once you sign up, like I just showed you on my link there, pretty much all you would have to do once you sign, you're going to sign out once you sign in, and then you're going to sign up under your own affiliate link. Okay. That's very important. You're going to sign up under your own affiliate link. And that way you're going to stack your accounts on top of each other under yourself. Okay. That way, when you get a sale or something like that, or you get a rebill, with the mileage and secrets, money is coming back in your pocket. All right. It's not going to no one else. It's not going to me. It's not going to anyone else. It's going right back to you when you stack your accounts. So me, like I said, I have 8 different accounts. All 8 of my accounts are coming back to me. Okay. There's a one-time charge of $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service. And then every time you make a payment, okay, some of that money is coming back to you for the system, okay, which is pretty awesome, right? So there's a few ways to make money with My Lead Gen Secret, but the most popular way is using some kind of network platform like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty, and Blue Media Ventures, like I was telling you guys before. Okay. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secrets. I recommend you guys getting started today. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the dashboard here. This is the back of my back office of my ClickBank account. This is what it looks like here. As you can see, this has been the algorithm lately. It's either been every other day. We have a few days here, a day we missed here, and then we got a sale today. Okay. We got a rebuild today. Okay. So this has been the algorithm lately, guys. Before, when we first started, we get one here, one next week. And then eventually what happened is these sales started to come in closer and closer and closer together because we've been sending out emails. Okay. So it's very important that you come in and you send out emails every single day. That way you get to where I'm at right now. So right now I'm in month 4 of the system. And I've been sending out emails every day, and this has been the algorithm. The algorithm is getting a little bit closer, and eventually, once we get to 5, 6, and getting on up in this challenge, those sales are going to start coming closer together. Where we're going to start earning income every single day. Okay, that's the goal. All right. So today is the 15th. Let's go ahead and just run through here. Today's the 15th. We did get a rebuild today. Let's go ahead and check the traffic and see how we did. All right. So today, as you can see, we got 700 hops, 680 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. We got someone that goes to the checkout page. They went to the checkout page, but we did not get that initial sale. Okay. And this is something that I've been looking at for these last few days that we've been shooting these videos. We have not gotten a initial sale, a free trial sale. Okay, which is something I've been waiting on. Okay. The good thing is that we've done the work, previous times we sent out emails every day and we got a rebill from one of our accounts, okay, which is really good, okay, because that keeps us at least earning income until we get these initial sales that we know that we're going to make, and then get that rebill every 3 days. We know we got that guaranteed commission coming in if that person decides to come in. And right now, I've been seeing maybe a 98% conversion on when someone signs up for the free trial and then they join. Like it's just I haven't seen anyone yet that signed up for a free trial that has not joined yet. Okay. This is how good the program is. Okay. So we didn't get that initial sale. We got somebody that went to that checkout page and they decided to buy for whatever reason, or they did not buy. Okay. Which is no biggie. Okay. I'm going to still keep sending out my emails every single day, and I recommend that you do too until you get to that point where you're getting sales every single day. You got initial sales coming in every day, and also you got those rebills coming in every day. Okay. But I'm not going to hang my head up on that. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to come in tomorrow. I've sent out my emails tonight. So I'm going to come in tomorrow and we're going to check those results to see if we got a sale for Saturday. Okay. Um, the last time I've checked, even the weekends have been pretty slow, but I'm still pretty confident that we have a sale. We are due for a sale sometime coming through. Okay. But we did get a rebill. Okay. That's what saved us today. And let's find out where that rebill came from because I'm kind of curious to know where that came from. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, let's see here. We got that rebill right here. And let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, it's Friday. Let's see where that came from. Let's go ahead and click here and let's see where that came from. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this sale came from back in June. All right, this is what I mean. This stuff is awesome. Okay, so this right here is from a sale back in June. Someone signed up for a free trial. Someone bought the program on the 15th. Today is the 15th of August, okay? So that person has been with us since June. So we got paid on them in June, July, and then now August. Okay, that's 3 months. Okay, that this person has been with us. We thank that person for staying with us. Obviously, this person is making money. Okay. And they are doing a really good job because they're staying with us. Okay. So we got a sale from someone that signed up a few months ago. Okay. This is what I mean by staying consistent and doing the work one time and getting paid over and over and over and over again. And that's what happened today. And that's what saved us today. For us not actually blanking because we did get some kind of rebill from one of our customers. Okay. That signed up with us a few months ago. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys the results today. Wanted to show you what this looks like. Okay. I wanted to show you the algorithm. I wanted to show you how easy it is to send out an email on the My Legion secret system. I wanted to come in and show you this. I have numerous ClickBank accounts. This is an account that I've made specifically just for you guys. Okay. For this challenge. And I wanted to show you the algorithm and the sales that we're getting right now. Okay. So I sent out my emails tonight. I'm going to meet you guys back here Saturday night. I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.